What's going on, guys, and welcome to another episode of Amazing A-Frames today. And I would like to apologize because we had no new episode last week. The simple truth is that we were still waiting on new A-Frames, and now we got tons of new A-Frames, and that's the reason why we are happily back again with Amazing A-Frames. And boy oh boy, I can tell you the wait was absolute worth it, because we got a lot of different stuff like you guys requested. And the first thing you can already see, I got a Red Bull F1 Oracle Racing team on my head, and this is already a beauty with the gold in the front. This looks really nice. But without further ado, let's go into this and have a look at the new hats that we are dropping this week. And I would like to start with this double pack because the colorway on this is absolutely crazy. It's called Mango Mocha, and together with this sky blue, it goes absolutely crazy in my opinion. So this is the first one from the New York Yankees with the Yankee script. And I mean, this colorway, you cannot go wrong with summertime. And you can also not go wrong as a Yankees fan with the 99 side patch. Beautiful hat. Then you got also in this sky baby blue the Yankee script in the front. This color looks really good. And then you also got the same color here on the button on the back, as well as on the New Era flag on the side. And you got a gray UV and black guts. Beautiful hat. This is going to be a script double pack, and the second one is one of your favorite Dodgers logos. And I mean, I can understand that people love that logo because it looks so good, especially when it's like, look at this embroidery. I mean, this pops off so great, absolutely beautiful. And then we got the LA with the roses on the side, also here, same colorway, beautiful hat, gray UV, black guts. These are the first two hats. Let's go ahead. We have a lot of crazy colors, but I would like to start already with the crazy colors because some of you guys requested crazy colors, and then we are going to a little bit more black colors, but with crazy embroideries. And I can already tell you guys, this is really crazy what you will see today. Okay, so let's go ahead. Another super crazy color, but it needed to be done to make a Detroit Lions hat in this beautiful orange with the Roar of 85 40th anniversary side patch. This D in the front is in navy, so matching the team color perfectly. Then you also got a orange snap on the back, gray UV, black guts, and the New Era flag on the side, also in navy. The Detroit Tigers, the Roar of 85, beautiful side patch, and orange is a super nice color. And as I already said, crazy colors this week, and we are not showing off everything that we are dropping, so stay tuned and also go to the store every day and take a look what's coming. So not only about crazy colors, also crazy materials. And we had this series, I think, like 3 or 4 years ago, and you guys absolutely loved that. And I was thinking about, okay, we have to bring it back, but with the current state of touch and changing some of the gray threads that we used to our liquid titanium. And of course, it's summertime, so we need to bring back more trucker hats, and we made a double pack, and this is made of ripstop, and then you got the trucker on the back. So this hat is super light, super nice to wear in summertime. Beautiful hat. And you can see you got the sparkling liquid titanium in the front, and as I already said here, part of the crown and the visor and the button, they are made of ripstop, and the rest is black mesh, black snap, gray UV, black guts. This is the first one. And the second one is from the Los Angeles Lakers, so an NBA double pack. And here you got the outlines in this liquid titanium, looks absolutely beautiful with the black. So this is a hat you can wear every day, and also the New Era flag is shining. So a lot of you guys were asking me always like, what about this tag in here, right? So can you remove this tag in here? And of course you can. It's super simple. So if you don't want, if you don't want to wear the hat and you can see this tag inside here, you just go in there, right? And then peel it out. Peel it out, that's it, and then it's gone and you can throw away that part. So just a quick tip from my side. It's super easy, so you don't need a scissor or something like that. You just can remove it. So don't be afraid about that. So the next one is an absolute classic, and I know that a lot of you guys were asking me for, Pat, can you make more San Francisco Giants on the 940 A-frame? And of course we can, and I wanted to make it a little bit more throwback. Kelly Green UV, black guts, and every time when you're using a San Francisco logo on a black hat, I mean, this is team colors, but it pops off so great. And this one came out perfectly with the inaugural season. And you can already see I made some of our metallic threads as details in there, because, you know, those toppers hats are always special. San Francisco script in the front. Then you got this black snap on the back, Kelly Green UV, black guts. The San Francisco Giants are coming back strong with this beautiful hat, and let me know in the comments. This is one of their best side patches they have, because it's not only huge, but there's a lot of details in there, and this looks absolute amazing. And that's the reason why it's on Amazing A-frames this week. And before we come to the final hat with the new logo that we are doing the first time, it's time for this black and gold beauty. And I know you love the Cubs logo, the spring training Cubs logo with the bear. And look at this beautiful hat. It is special with the black and gold, but you can also wear it to every, let's say to every outfit, right? Because black hats are going to every outfit in my opinion. And then you got the spring training side patch with black and gold. And then I made this C in red with some red details. You got the bear in the front, and this embroidery is absolutely crazy. Black snap on the back, gray UV, black guts, the Chicago Cubs, black and gold. Beautiful hat. And now, I mean, this is an absolute classic. And me as a Mets fan, I really like that logo. Even I'm a Mets fan, you know, and I'm talking about a Yankees hat today, navy, and look at this beautiful old school Yankees script in the front, all navy the hat. And then we got the New York World Champions 27 with this pennant on the side, navy snap on the back, gray UV, black guts. Beautiful hat, right? Super clean, but I really, really like that logo. Those were the hats from this week. Let me know in the comments below which ones were your favorite hats, which logos did you like the most, which side patches did you like the most, and of course also which teams would you like to see next on Amazing A-frames. If you liked the video, of course, please leave a like, and if you have not subscribed to the channel, please also subscribe to the channel. This will help us a lot, and it's totally free, and you can join the greatest hat community on this planet, the Topperzstore family. I would like to thank you guys for tuning in, and I hope to see you guys again on Sunday of my top 5 fitted hats of the week, or maybe you tune in on Monday. There is our regular weekly stream where we are talking about all the fitted hats releases from Topperzstore USA and Topperzstore. So thank you very much for tuning in, and I hope to see you soon again. I'm out. Bye.